Having a large number of meters and monitors in an OpenDSS model is very common. And thinking on that, we have included a new feature in OpenDSS-G version 4.1 for managing meters and monitors in a more dynamic way. So now when you go from the constructor to the simulator mode, in the past you used to see all the meters on the screen, and now what you see is a window called the Meter Manager. The Meter Manager presents a list of all the meters and monitors that you have in your model, as well as their type, and if it's a monitor, the mode in which the monitor is operating. From this window, the user can show, hide monitors and meters at will, can also export the content, highlight the location, and do all kinds of operations. So for example, in a quick fashion, if you want to show a meter or monitor, just double click on the name on the list and it will show up. A check mark will appear next to the name, showing that the monitor is visible. Or you can just select one of the actions from the menu in that window, or just right click and select one of the options at the pop-up menu. So now what we're going to do is populate those monitors with a daily simulation. We have 6 monitors, well, 6 meters, which are 5 monitors and 1 energy meter. And we're bringing one of the monitors to be visible. So if I right click on it, I can localize where that monitor is located. I'm going to bring another monitor. I'm going to make it visible as well. And I can also show only the visible monitors or meters if that's what I want to do. Otherwise, I can just show all the locations for all the monitors. So here I'm going to move the monitors that I have that are visible just to make it easier to see how they operate. Now I can also export the content of the meters. So right now I've just exported the content of one of the monitors. Now, of course, the previous options that you had in the meter or in the monitor for exporting one or all the meters at the same time, it's still valid, it's still there. It's just through the meter manager, something that you can do locally from the window. You can export the content of the selected meter or monitor, or you can export the content of all the visible monitors or meters, or you can just export everything. The same can be done when you try to clear the monitor. In the past, with the menus that we have available at the controls panel, you can clear all the monitors. Here, you can clear one at a time if that's what you want to do. For example, here, I'm going to select one of the monitors and I'm going to clear just the selected monitor. As you can see on the screen, the other one keeps all the information, all the data within the monitor, while the one we have selected for clearing has been resetted. And we can do that at will. We can do that for all the visible monitors, for all the visible meters, for all the meters, just emulated what we already had at the controls panel. Another functionality that we are offering in this meter manager is the search ability. So you can just type or search for a name of a specific meter from a list, select it, and the window is going to bring it to the top. So you can select it and, well, perform whatever operation you are planning to do with that specific meter. The other options like hide and show monitors or meters are still available at the front panel and also at the meters menu that we have. You can create energy meters and monitors from the meters manager and also from the menu that already exists at the controls panel. The window, the meter manager, can be closed at will if necessary and can also be brought back using the meters menu at the controls panel. Every time the user closes and brings back the meter manager, the status and the visibility status of every monitor and meter will be refreshed and will reflect the current situation.